This was one of the big observations that I had through my analysis that I had done, was that the organization was spending a lot of time and money to continue training employees on 1.0 when the 2.0 would be ready to roll out within the next couple of months. So there needed to be a decision made to reevaluate the need and the priority to educate on the legacy system. I broke down each area, how many employees were still needing to be trained, how much money it would be to continue the training for these areas. And, the leaders tend to understand the detail better whenever you make it more about money and their bottom line. So that's really why I did it this way, so that they could see that they're spending a lot of effort and money to continue this old path while they're trying to build out this new path. And it would have made a lot more sense to really focus all of their efforts on the 2.0 so that they could push it, be more productive with it. So having this show the time and money makes it easier for them to be able to make a decision.